Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Gala, seeing what's going on. We're going to double check a few key factors such as back-end data and just help understand, price action and generally where the liquidation levels are at, because we could have seen a liquidity sweep here with the price shooting so hard so fast. That's just a massive little pump here. Is it going to dump? I mean, it kind of already halfway has, but a lot of that has to do with Bitcoin pulling back too. So keep in mind, situations like this have certain things that need to happen in order for us to get validation or invalidation. We can kind of see here, pretty obvious, there's a level here at about 2.2 rather, that looks like a pretty solid little support range there, or previous resistance turn support. So we're going to talk about this and just a few other things. So if you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, love to teach people to trade. Hope you can learn something here today. If you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site. Check out our Discord. We got some awesome traders here. It's very fun and exciting. Check out our premium group too as well. Obviously, if you're part of our membership, you're going to take advantage of some of these signals here. We took 215% from ID in 5 months. I don't mind waiting 200%, 5 months for that much, okay? Again, we took good almost 20%, 17.3 in 9 hours from a short from Chainlink. But the truth is, we're having a little bit less signals than usual just based on the market conditions. We got to break bullish or bearish or something. Bitcoin literally needs to, make a choice. And it looks like it's trying to choose here today, but we can't quite be, we don't want to be too premature here and taking a bunch of long positions. But either way you look at it, there we go. Strong amount of liquidation at this level here. We take a look there, 2.2 upwards about 2.3, fully swept here. This is the last 7 days liquidation taken care of. So natural for the price to shoot up and shoot back down because of that. So I'm not surprised to see that here with Gala. Let's see if there's anything else that we could indicate for potential further upside. Key takeaway here is we have broken through this descending trend. We're making an ascending trend now, and let's see on the daily essentially where we're at here as well for bigger picture. We got some previous resistance here, potential support. What do you know? That's the exact same level at 2.2. So 2.2 seems to be a pretty consistent level here for us. And we also have this lower level here as well. Big surprise, look at that, right there at about 2.08. That is amazing how those levels are consistently retested. So again, some support for us basically is what that boils down to. Previous resistance turn support. Okay, so that's a good sign. MACD converging still, very good. Can't complain about that. RSI, money flow index, everything's looking decent here, minus being under 50 in the RSI. So really want to be above 50 in the RSI for me to feel confident and comfortable taking a long position. But at this point here, stochastic swinging up pretty hard from the recent increase there. Decent chance we could continue higher, but also got to recognize too, we got some resistance in place here, right? We got the good old 20-day SMA hanging out right there with the price action. Honestly, when I see that, I'm still a little timid to take a position. I want to make sure we're above that level. So to be quite frank with you, I think it would be best for us to close somewhere in the range of like 2.35 or higher. That'd be better. But again, closing today at or above 2.25 would give us some confirmation, letting us know we're on the right side of the tracks. Again, the 20-day SMA is just a little trend setter there, letting us know that things are moving the way that they should, if you will. Okay, so I'm going to remove these duplicate support and resistance levels here, and we'll just go ahead and double check the 4-hour time frame, see kind of what's going on here. So the 4-hour, we always want to look at the moving averages. We're above all three. I think the 200 is trailing behind. The 200's up here, closer to about 2.4. So we got to be mindful. 2.35, 2.4, we will see some resistance in this area. There's just no other way around it. Okay, so that's definitely something we want to be mindful of. Taking a look at TD sequential, we're slow into this progression here, or new into it rather. So there's a good chance we could very well see the price action continue to increase. We're above the 20-day SMA, good starting point. We're over 50 on the RSI on the 4-hour. This is extremely bullish. Money flow index is matching, very close. That's a good sign. We've got a stochastic swing to the upside. So all the more reason why the price should continue higher. If we do see a pullback, we could see a pivot off of this level here at about 2.2 and then up. Okay, so again, definitely looking pretty decent here so far. You can see a decent little pattern here forming two, where we're establishing higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so we could very well see the price continue up from here, but generally speaking, the 4-hour time frame does look fairly bullish, minus the 2.3 to 2.4 range. Sorry, 2.35 to 2.4. So with all that being said, if we kind of look at the way things are right now, there's a good chance we could see the price to upwards about 2.35. If it does come close to that level, I would recommend a take profit target somewhere about maybe 2.34. Something a little earlier there, just to ensure you can secure some profit. Taking a look at the hourly, let's double check here. Ichimoku Cloud, what's going on here? Well, all bullish signs here. We're above all moving averages too. Definitely looking nice. There's no reason to really want to consider shorting this, but you do got to recognize we swept all this liquidity here, so there's not a lot of incentive for the price to go higher, minus the fact that we need to accumulate volume at this lower level, 2.2. So my speculation is if the price does pull back, we will see a pivot there off that level. But once more, we have all green lights to consider a long position, not to take a short. I'm going to go ahead and set an alert here for right about 2.22. Just in case the price does pull back, I might consider a long at that level, as long as Bitcoin is stabilizing, okay? So that would be a consideration for me. Now, again, the price will probably continue to run, so don't wait for that entry per se. That may not be a good entry. It's more likely the price will go up than down from here. But if, in the off chance the price pulls back, I get a better entry at 2.22, I wouldn't be upset with that. Okay, so that's kind of a consideration for me here. But at this point, we're pretty much on the right side of the tracks for the most part. We just haven't fully confirmed. So if Bitcoin can close at 43.5 today, I think we're going to have a solid chance at getting this taken care of. So I think we're looking pretty good here for Gala in the overall sense. I just think it might be a little early to get in, but hey, this could be the very bottom and the price is going to continue up from here. I would just say pay close attention to Bitcoin. 43.5 or higher today, closing above this fib level here would be super solid. It's essentially what we're looking for here. All right, so again, awesome stuff there. Be sure to check that out, or make sure you watch my Bitcoin video so you know what's going on. Did expect the price to sweep that liquidity level now, but we just got to be patient and wait and see what Bitcoin does here soon, and that will determine what we want to do with our altcoins. Okay, so congrats if you're in profit. Congrats to our community members for that. Quick little heads up, we do use Bitunix as a primary exchange here for our community. We have over almost 500 members over there already, and it's a really cool thing. So the reason why I love it is because Bitunix has no KYC or VPN requirements. Awesome rewards if you use my link to register, and we also have trading competitions coming up here near the end of the month. They're going to add over 200 trading pairs to their exchange as well here soon as well. So awesome stuff. Be on the lookout for that. Thanks again so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Hope you have a great rest of the day. We'll see you soon. Take care.